Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. I love all things makeup. I love makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, anything makeup related. That's what this channel is all about. So if that interests you, please hit the bell for future notifications and subscribe. So I get the Boxycharm, the basic box and the premium box. I've been getting Boxycharm since October. It's been several months and I highly recommend Boxycharm. I paid for it myself. It's just really helped me grow my makeup collection. I get so many great products from Boxycharm. You get skincare, you get tools, you get makeup, you get palettes, you get really good high-end quality makeup. I pay for this myself. Mine comes later than I think the people who get like PR from Boxycharm. So I also get the basic and the premium Boxycharm. This is premium. And I will show you what I got for the month of August. So first I got this MAC lipstick. This is the MAC Satin Lipstick and this is the shade Mocha 813. This lipstick is beautiful. So this is a full-size MAC lipstick in the shade Mocha and the finish is satin. It's this beautiful fall red. It's so pretty. And that swatch, that shade is right up my alley. I love this shade. So MAC lipstick costs about $18 and Boxycharm basic box is $25. And then if you get the premium, it's add $35 to that. So for $55 a month, you get your premium box and then you get your basic box. So this is already $18. So I'm already like almost halfway to the point of what it would cost for like if I purchased this myself and didn't get in a Boxycharm, which is nice because I feel like this wouldn't be a shade I'd pick up. I'm definitely a nude girl and I feel like it's nice that Boxycharm sends you all these great products so that way you're kind of forced to go outside your comfort zone because there's a lot of things I discovered that I like that I would never have purchased myself. Next we have the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This is a very popular face primer. This is actually something that I've been eyeing a lot at Sephora but I never purchased. But I'm really, really happy they sent me this because this is something that I definitely wanted. As soon as I got my box, I already opened everything because I'm that nosy. I can't wait till I film to look what's in my box. So you get a full-size Banana Bright Face Primer. It smells like bananas. Comes out like a yellow tinted cream. And it's a very luminous finish. It's so soft, so soft. So I'm very excited about that. I'm very, very happy I got that. So this is definitely a product that I'm very happy I got in my Boxycharm. This product cost $38 at Sephora. So if you add the $18 for this MAC lipstick plus the $38 for Ole Henriksen, you're already in the price range of like around $55, which is what it costs for the basic box and the premium box. So the box is definitely like worth their money. Like they are sending you things that are very popular in Sephora and other places. And like I said, I picked my own box myself because I know that these are like really great products and I highly recommend Boxycharm. So next I have a tool and this is by Fenty by Rihanna. This is the portable contour and concealer brush. This reminds me a lot of like the Kim Kardashian brushes that she has with her contour makeup. So it's just a little brush here. You slide up this metal piece and you slide it down. So that would be really nice. For like some cream contour. It's very dense, very soft. I'm not really someone who takes brushes with me, but this is really cute. I mean, you can use this for everyday, it's not just travel. But yeah, it's a little contour makeup brush. Cost $24. And you know, this isn't something that I would purchase myself, and who knows, maybe I'm gonna like the idea of having a travel contour brush. So that's what I like about Boxycharm. It just makes you expand your taste. So next we have this is something I've never heard of, a brand I've never heard of. It's the Dermalect XL Lash Volumizer. So this is like a lash treatment. It comes like this, just looks like a mascara, but it's actually a clear serum mascara. The directions say to apply it once a day at bedtime, apply to clean dry lashes from root to tip, and allow to dry. Leave it on overnight. It can also be applied to your eyebrows. So this is something that I would not be purchasing myself, because personally I don't really believe that these actually do anything, but I'm excited to try it out. So this is around the $50 price range. This is a brand I've never heard of. And it looks like you can buy this. It looks like you can buy this at like QVC, Amazon, Skin Store. So yeah. So yeah, this will be interesting to try out. This is definitely not something that I would have purchased myself, but I will try this out and I will see. Hopefully it works, but I don't know why I have a hard time believing that things like this work, but we'll see. Maybe it'll just make my lashes nice and soft or something. So next is a palette. This is the Ciate, the Editor palette. So, like, that's one of my favorite things about Boxycharm is you get all these palettes. Like, palettes are so fun. Like, I personally love palettes. Like, eyeshadow is one of my favorite things in makeup. So I'm always excited when I get a palette. So this is the, and you almost get a palette in like every single box, which is really nice. So just for like expanding your collection and everything. So this is the Ciate London eyeshadow palette. It's the editor's pick. Look how beautiful all those shades are. Like, they're so pretty. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes, and the rest are all shimmers, and there's definitely a lot of colors here that you can play with. So I'm just going to swatch some shimmers and then swatch some mattes just so I can get a feel about what's good. So the first shade that caught my eye is this olive green. And that's what, so pretty, so perfect for fall. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So next I'm gonna go in with this shade that I would be using for like a crease shade. It looks like none of these shades have names. A little chalky, but also like a really pretty transition shade. And next I'm gonna go in with this beautiful like silver navy shade. Also a little, I don't know if you can see that, a little grindy. That shade does not have that much pigment payoff. I mean, it's pretty. I'm sure you can apply it wet and work with it, but not what I was really expecting. I'm gonna go for the navy shade right beside it. This is more like satin. It has like a little bit of shimmer, but it's not like a full-on shimmer like the other two. But that one swatches really, really nice, and that was really smooth and pigmented. So those are the swatches. Pretty much that blue shimmer one was the one that was not as pigmented. But this palette is like very different. I love the different selections here you have for colors. This is very like summer, and then it's like fall. You have so many options here with your blues. Then you have that beautiful olive green, and you have some pinks, and then of course you have some really good transition shades. So yeah, I'll be really excited to play around with this palette. Also, the front of the palette has this beautiful like tropical theme. The packaging though does feel cheap. Like this does feel like it's just like cheap feeling, but it looks nice with this front tropical print, but it's definitely like a cheap packaging. So this palette costs $32 and is on sale on the website for Kayak. And it's in the shade PTO. And let's swatch this. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like hieroglyphic eyeliner. It's beautiful. Like, look how smooth that is. Wow. Wow, I'm really impressed. So this is not normally a shade that I would personally wear, but it could be fun for like Halloween or like New Year's or something. And yeah, I think it's really pretty. It's got like, oh yeah, it's in the shade PTO. It's very like holographic makeup, very glittery, shimmery, multi-toned, and it's so buttery smooth. I was very surprised how easy that applied. So yeah, these are the 6 products that I've got in my premium Boxycharm. I have my basic box still coming, but it's still in the mail. So yeah, I feel like these are well worth the money. I can't wait to use these and play around with these. So I highly recommend if you want to expand your makeup collection, if you just want things that you can like try that are new, definitely try Boxycharm, because I'm telling you, like, there's some things that can be disappointing, but like getting this primer, I'm so excited about that. And then this lipstick, yeah, so I highly recommend Boxycharm. So I would say the product that I am most excited about in my Boxycharm is definitely the Banana Bright Face Primer. This is something I am very, very excited about. So guys, that completes my August premium Boxycharm unboxing. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.